In today's video, we are adding and subtracting integers. The skills you will learn here are as important as counting on your fingers. So, if you have fingers, let's get started. 6 minus 9 equals minus 3. You don't believe me? Well, this is our number line. Don't be scared of it, it can't hurt you. In the middle, we have a 0. On the right, we have positive numbers. And on the left, we have negative numbers. Let's read our sum again. It starts at 6 minus 9. So we start at the 6, and we are minusing 9. So let's count 9 steps backwards, which is to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we land on minus 3, which is our answer. 6 minus 9 equals minus 3. Let's try something a bit more difficult. 1 plus 5 minus 11. Let's use our number line again. So we start from 1. Plus 5, so we're going 5 steps to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we land at 6, but we're not done yet. Next we have minus 11. So 11 steps to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And we land on minus 5. So 1 plus 5 minus 11 equals minus 5. The better you get at this, the less you will have to rely on the number line, and soon you can do multiple sums in hopefully under a minute. Finally, we get to the brackets. 2 plus minus 4 in brackets. If we simplify this to the next line, we get 2 plus minus 4. Look at the symbols next to each other. We have a plus and a minus next to one another, which technically means we have to multiply the symbols. So a plus times a minus gives us a minus. So we're left with 2 minus 4, and 2 minus 4 equals minus 2. At the end of this, I'll show you a chart, and this should help you remember all the rules I'm about to show you. Next one, 2 minus minus 4 in brackets. Simplify this to the next line, we get 2 minus minus 4. We have a minus and a minus next to each other, so that gives us a plus. 2 plus 4 equals 6. There are 4 rules to remember, so 2 more to go. 2 plus 4 in brackets. Let's simplify this to the next line, 2 plus 4. We have a plus and a plus next to one another, and that gives us a plus. So 2 plus 4 equals 6. 2 minus plus 4, simplify it to the next line. 2 minus plus 4, we have a minus and a plus next to each other, and that gives us a minus. So 2 minus 4 equals minus 2. So the rules are minus and minus next to each other gives you a plus. Plus and plus next to each other gives you a plus. Plus and minus next to each other gives you a minus. And minus and plus next to each other gives you a minus. So think of it as the same symbols next to each other give you a plus, and different symbols next to each other give you a minus. Let's put these into a few more examples. 5 plus minus 2 in brackets plus minus 4 in brackets. Let's simplify this to the next line. Let's take away all the brackets. 5 plus minus 2 plus minus 4. We have a plus and a minus next to each other, so 5 minus 2. And we have a plus and a minus next to each other, so minus 4. 5 minus 2 minus 4 equals minus 1. Minus 1 minus 2 in brackets plus minus 2 in brackets. So let's simplify this to the next line. Minus 1 minus 2 plus minus 2. Minus 1, and we have a minus and a minus next to each other, so that gives us a plus. 2 plus and minus next to each other, which gives us a minus, and a 2. So minus 1 plus 2 minus 2 equals minus 1. I know this last section may seem confusing at first. Try some examples by yourself, following the rules, and you should be blitzing through these sums in a matter of no time. I am your math sensei, and I'll see you in the next video.